Houseeplant FAQs, Syngonium Berry Allusion. Syngonium Berry Allusion, your guide to the captivating pink vein beauty. Hi, Furvu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Syngonium Berry Allusion, a houseplant that's as captivating as its name. This little gem boasts vibrant green foliage accented with stunning pink veins, making it a true standout in any indoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, the Syngonium Berry Allusion might be the perfect addition to your collection. But before you bring one home, let's answer some of the most common questions about this beauty. See more 41 species in genus Syngonium, arrowhead plant at monsteraholic.com. What is a Syngonium Berry Allusion? The Syngonium Berry Allusion is a cultivar, a cultivated variety, of the Syngonium podophyllum, also known as the arrowhead plant. It belongs to the Araceae family, sharing kinship with popular houseplants like philodendrons and monsteras. This specific variety is prized for its compact growth habit and stunning foliage. The leaves, shaped like arrowheads, hence the nickname, feature a rich green base color adorned with prominent pink or berry-colored veins. The new growth often displays a stronger pink hue, adding a vibrant touch to the plant. Choosing between my mango illusion and berry illusion can be tough. It's like picking a favorite child, if plants could be children. The mango illusion first stole my heart with its vibrant new leaves. They emerge as soft, creamy peach that slowly deepens into a rich, mango-hued green. It's a color combination that feels incredibly fresh and unique in my plant collection. The berry illusion, on the other hand, is all about drama. Its new leaves unfurl a deep, almost burgundy shade that takes my breath away. As they mature, they lighten to a cooler pink with speckles of green, creating a truly captivating marbled effect. It's the kind of plant that makes you stop and admire every time you walk by. Syngonium Berry Allusion versus other Syngoniums. Spot the differences. The world of Syngoniums offers a delightful variety, each boasting unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison of the berry illusion with two other popular Syngoniums. Syngonium podophyllum neon lime. This variety features bright lime green foliage with minimal variegation. Compared to the berry illusion, the neon lime offers a more vibrant green but lacks the captivating pink veins. Syngonium pink splash. As the name suggests, this Syngonium boasts pink variegation on its leaves. However, the variegation is more prominent and splotchy compared to the berry illusion's defined pink veins. How to care for Syngonium Berry Allusion. The Syngonium Berry Allusion is known for its forgiving nature, making it a great choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. Here's how to keep your pink vein beauty thriving. Light. This plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your Syngonium Berry Allusion when the top inch or two of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common mistake, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix that allows excess water to escape freely. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark can work well. Humidity. While the Syngonium Berry Allusion tolerates average household humidity, it thrives in a more humid environment. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray with water can help increase humidity. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can fertilize your Syngonium Berry Allusion once a month with a diluted balanced fertilizer. Propagation. Share the pink love. The Syngonium Berry Allusion is easily propagated through stem cuttings. Here's a simple guide. Take a healthy stem cutting with a few nodes, leaf junctions. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone optional. Plant the cutting in a pot with moist, well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil moist but not soggy and place the pot in bright, indirect light. In a few weeks, roots should develop, and your new Syngonium Berry Allusion will be on its way. Common problems and solutions. Even the most low-maintenance plants can encounter minor issues. Here are some common problems you might face with your Syngonium Berry Allusion and how to address them. Brown leaves. This could be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or lack of humidity. Adjust your watering routine and consider using a humidifier. Yellowing leaves. Older leaves may naturally yellow and drop off. However, excessive yellowing could indicate overwatering or lack of light. Leggy growth. This is a sign of insufficient light. Move your plant to a brighter location. Conclusion. The allure of the Syngonium Berry Allusion. The Syngonium Berry Allusion is a captivating houseplant that offers a delightful combination of easy care and stunning visuals. With its compact size, vibrant foliage, and charming pink veins, it's sure to add a touch of personality to your indoor space. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance beauty to brighten your home, the Syngonium Berry Illusion might just be the perfect choice.